All right, man, I want to give a big shout out to 4105, man. Hey, man, these guys were on my last mixtape, the dropping the bar for bar mixtape, man. And the song is pretty good, man. I want you guys to check them out. Hopefully we can get them released on iTunes within the next few weeks. I had a couple issues with a few songs or whatever, but I got it taken care of. So, hopefully this mixtape will come out in the next 2 weeks or whatnot. But yeah, man, give these guys a listen, man. I'm gonna leave their link in the description. 4105, man. Big shout out to you guys, man. I hope to see you guys on the next mixtape. You guys want to do some more music with me? Hey, holla at me, man. I'll get some stuff done for you guys. All right. All right, man, I'm back with another shout out, and this shout out goes to Chivas AJ and Nivra Kosa. They both were with TOMG. I don't know if you remember those guys, man. They kind of went viral a couple years ago, man. Shout out to you guys too, man. I hope to see you guys doing more music in the future. But yeah, man, give this new song a try, man. I'm gonna put the link in the description for this new track that they just dropped. Man, it's pretty cool, man. I like it, man. I like it a whole lot, man. Let me know what you guys think about this song in the comment section, man. All right. Welcome back to TOMG TV. I'm your man, Boss J. Hey, man, appreciate you guys jumping aboard, man. Today I was asked a very important question. Can you use samples in your music? And the quick answer is, yeah, you can. You can use samples in your music. But there are rules that go along with you doing that. And today I want to kind of cover those things to help you guys on your way so you can go ahead and continue to make the music that you like to make. Now, the first thing that you're going to need is permission. You got to get permission, because without permission, guess what? You're stealing music. And 9 times out of 10, you're not going to be making any money off of it. They're going to make all the money off of it. All right. So to get permission, you need to get a contact with the label for the master recordings. Make sure they give you permission to use the sample that you're trying to use. And then on top of that, you're going to have to get permission from the songwriter and the composer. So those are the 3 entities that you need to contact in order to get permissions. All right. Not necessarily the artist. Everybody thinks it's the artist for a lot of reasons. And, if the artist wrote the song, then yeah, he's the songwriter composer. But if the artist didn't write the song, the songwriter, composer, and the publisher and the record label, those are the places that you need to go to get the permission. Now, once you do that, man, you got to make a negotiation with these people. Sometimes they like an upfront fee. You got to pay a mechanical royalty, man. You got to pay for that. Sometimes they want royalties off of your album. Sometimes they even want both. It just depends. Get your negotiation down to a T. Now, once you get your negotiations done, don't just go out here and just jump into recording a song because you're not done yet. You still got to go get it in writing. You got to get your lawyer, make sure they get their lawyers, get it signed, sealed, and notarized. All right. Once you do that, then you have a green light to actually go out there and record your song, try to make you some money off of it based on your contract. Now, if you want samples without paying for that, I would highly recommend that you buy you some loop kits that got sample packs. They got places out here like Splice. You can go buy you some loop kits and stuff like that. Now, if you got to pay for these services. Now, if you want free samples, I would go somewhere like Looper, man. Now, these are general sounds, man. General loops, they're pretty good, but they're general. Everybody has access to them, but they're free. You don't have to pay for them. I even use them sometimes. All right. But yeah, that's an outlet that you can take to actually make you some beats, get you some samples going on. And then also, before you distribute this music, make sure you copy the links that you find the sounds on, because a lot of these distributors, they want resource links to where you got the sound from to make sure there's no copyrights on it or whatnot. So make sure you copy the link. If you're using Looperman or Splice or something like that, make sure you got a contract, or you copy the link to where you got it, and it'll actually show the distributor that it was actually royalty free, and you should be perfectly fine to go. All right. Also, if you're here in the Philippines, before you even release your music, I would actually register with PhilsCap. Now in the States, you use BMI, ASCAP, and I think Canada use SACCC. I don't know the full name of it, but yeah, in the States, I know for a fact that you can use BMI and ASCAP. Those are the 2 PROs there. In Philippines, where I'm at right now, you have to use PhilsCap. So register with a PhilsCap account. They'll take care of all your negotiation processes or whatever for your royalties or whatnot. They ain't gonna do it for you. Of course, I'm correct myself. They ain't gonna do it for you, but they will make sure that it gets paid out if that's your PRO that you're going with. All right, that's their job. All right. If you have any questions of me, please let me know in the comment section. I'll do the best that I can to possibly answer them for you. Yeah, that's all that I got for you guys on this question, man.